Hello everyone and welcome back to the stream. The camera looks a little bit off today. Or maybe I should directly switch to code view. Smaller. Yeah, today I will work on Javis as well. And the goal for today is basically to animate drawing a text from left to right. So first of all, I will create a version. Let me see in the chat as well. Create a version that works but is not directly implemented in Javis, and then we will implement it in Javis. So our normal setup, make quite small video. As we are going to work with text, we increase the font size a little bit and then start our normal Javis functionality with a background action. I still don't know why it's not showing up when I write backgrounds. Oh, no, it does. I don't know. Didn't show up in the beginning. And call the grounds. And then we have an action, which will be the first 10 frames. And taking in video, action, and frame. And call a draw text function, which takes in action, frame, and the text. Hello stream. And let me copy that over. When that is done, I just want to show the text as normal. So later I will write it such that it's one action just calling this and then a sub action calling appear or something like that. Now we need the draw text function, which takes in an action, frame, and the string. And we need the text outlines function here, which I think, so taking the string, taking the position, and should be a clip region. What do we have to do then? Oh yeah, we should have text extents. Of the string. This gives us basically a list which is x bearing, y bearing, x with, y with, x advance and y advance. I think we can just take x with for now. So that would be text extends the third. And then I create a circle. We need basically compute. So the general idea is that we clip the text and then just create a circle which gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it fills the text from the background. That's the general idea. And we can get the current interpolation value, and we can call this t, which is ranging from 0 to 1. And then we have the radius is t times the width, and we fill that, which is just the same color now. So if we do include, oh, I should also have my path name is current text. Yeah, so hopefully we will see something soon. After some pre-compilation, rendering is pretty fast as our scene is quite small. And then we have this hello stream animation, which I think looks quite okayish. So that's what we will do, what we will implement into Javis today. So what we have done so far is basically implemented a round of Javis. So we need this text outlines, and clipping is important, which is part of Luxor. And then we get the width of the text. We do this interpolation stuff. So I think I'm not exactly sure whether this works. That's another push-up for later. And then we have this weird speeding up and slowing down. And there you actually can see that the exclamation mark is not fully, I think it's not fully drawn. Oh, I don't know. I think it's not fully drawn because our text extends just takes the X direction and not the Y. But normally you don't see it. This might get worse if you increase the font size or stuff like that. So you might want to have like something extra or use the Y width to compute it more accurately. But I think it's quite nice that it's like this rounded shape moving outwards instead of just moving from left to right. I mean, it's clear that this is not hand drawn or whatever, but that's out of scope for today, I would say. So this should probably go to version 0.2, as hopefully masters gets finished today by Jacob, who is another streamer working on the project, aka the Zeta Prince. He might stream as well later today. Okay. Sorry, what did I want to do? Oh yeah, I wanted to make a branch text animation. So yeah. Oh yeah, random user, glad to see you. I see that you messaged it like 4 minutes ago. My webcam is a bit in front of my display, so I think this view is better now. I should read the chat messages earlier. Hola, hola. Yeah, you asked for this feature, right? I was thinking about it yesterday, thinking about it a bit more today, and I think it's time to implement it. So the general idea I might want to get rid of this and basically have a version of how I want to do, like how I want to have it in the final outcome. So I would like to have, hi Val, how is it going? Animating text, yeah, something like this. Yeah, fast in the end and stuff like that. Sound a bit light again. Um, is it better now? I do always sound a bit light, right? Maybe it's just me. But I hope it's better. Perfect. Okay, so then we will have sub-action. Basically, I don't know, for 2015 frames maybe, and have appear draw. Or maybe draw text. Something like that. Which obviously will fail now as draw text is not implemented. And the text function is not perfectly valid for this, as this is a Luxor function, and I think I need to extend it. So what this basically needs to do is in the appear function, which gets called first, I would need to basically set a value that I want to animate the text. And when I call the text function, it then sees, oh, this should be animated. Maybe this probably should give the interpolation value to the text function. And yeah, and then it should create this clipping region and stuff like that. Sorry. So let's close this one. Basically, well, this one gets out of the exported functions. Or it's, wait, no, it's getting exported by us. So yeah, it should get out of this exported functions. And then I have Luxor overrides, and we create another function text, which for now will just take a string. What does text actually take? I think it has the possibility to just take, oh, okay, no, it still works. I have to restart my session though. So I will make the most basic version first and then add the possibility to set the position and stuff like that later. So can already pre-compile stuff. Oh, but yeah, maybe I should. Okay, I think I should start with the appear function. So appear function takes draw text and Shall I? I'm not sure whether I should put it in this current setting stuff, because I think it will work a little bit different than this opacity thing. So can I jump to the definition of action? Well, it's actually I want to jump to action. So I have this option stuff, and I might just use that. So draw text is equal to or draw text t is equal to t. Wait, should this? I don't know. What did this do? I thought it would just throw an error. Okay, it didn't do anything. Oh, because my text function. So the appear function now exists. I thought I was too late. I can also rotate text, or like, sorry, I think I should open one with look, so maybe for the text function. So actually the text function takes an angle, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it takes an angle so you can rotate text, which is kind of the same as doing a rotation and then displaying text. But yeah, what do you have in mind, Eva? So what we have to do is basically if has key, like action is current action. Yeah, so transpose animations are more complicated as basically I think the hard part is to understand where each part of the matrix is getting displayed. So when you just put the latex string into Javis has to figure out, basically has to render the latex itself kind of to figure out which gets displayed where. Currently it gets rendered to SVG, so I can also pass the SVG. But you can move text yourself, yeah. I think to implement it yourself when you know what is inside the matrix isn't too hard. But if you want to implement it in a general fashion, I think it's not too easy. But maybe I'm thinking too complicated. So basically, gets up draw text t, and the default is 1. And I basically just, okay, maybe I should do this. And if t is smaller than 1, else it basically just draws the text. So clipping region is text lines string. And then we have what did I do before? Oh yeah, text extends. Let's just copy this over for now. And get interpolation of action frame. And this should be it, I think. Oh. Clip. Frame not defined. Oh yeah. Oh, by the way, I get the T already. So let's close stuff. So that's basically it. I'm done for today. Okay, this is now implemented. So that was simple. So we can now see what what is something like this look like. Okay, it's way too fast. I think sign IO. Oh, damn it. Doesn't take an input. Might look quite interesting. As it's more speeding up and then slowing down in the end. But yeah, so this is basically the main point of today. Now we just need to make it possible such that we have a position here. So more centralizing it will not work at the moment. So maybe this should take string, position, and probably some other stuff. What is baseline left? Okay. So maybe doing this, where this is points, we might want to specify this is symbol, and this is probably abstract string, but it's not too important to specify that. Now, oh, and we also want to have a t, which is our interpolation value. So if okay, if t bigger or equal to 1, and then looks for text string pause something like this. And maybe just return. Why is this not working? I think it should work, right? Or do I have to specify? I don't know. Maybe I have to specify that. Sometimes don't get these keyword arguments. When do I have to specify it? When do I not have to specify it? So this should be written like this, I guess, but I have no clue. And otherwise, we create this clipping region, which also takes now the position. And why are you laughing? Oh, yeah. I think I was correct with your quizzes. The point is that I sometimes I think I've done that already. Let me check. Yeah, I voted for 3, and I think that's correct. I think I checked it. I don't know, your quizzes. There was one quiz on Slack, which I don't know whether you posted it on Twitter as well. I think you didn't. Oh, wait. What? What happened? Let me do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. I think I voted for 4, but 3 is the most common answer. That's why it's showing 3 to me. Yeah, it makes sense that it's 4. Because this one is just overwriting the other. But anyway. Sorry, I spoiled a bit. So what is text? That's also, so this is taking, and then it's doing H. Yeah, why is H a line here first? But okay. I mean, here it's clearly a keyword argument. So because of this one, but anyway. One is the right answer for what? Oh, for the latest one. I think 3 is the right answer, right? Because the second one overrides the first one. Okay. Now I think the text extends doesn't know the position, so we still get just the width, but we need to have the position here. Does that make sense? And then we can probably define this. So it's always what is the best way of defining all these methods. Probably, yeah, I think that should work. Baseline. And then takes T. So he basically animates text, string, pause, and T. Well, let's see. No error. And I think that works perfectly well. What is the one that center? H. Okay, this is. Oh yeah, that makes sense. I mean, it also kind of works, but it's shifting also in the end, which is quite interesting. It's making this weird shift, which I think is more the fault of. Oh, this is no, that's not good. But I think I can't change that. I think this is the problem of text outline. That is really bad. Spoilers. That is too bad. But so this position, we basically want to start with the most left part of text outlines. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the explanation as well. I think the eval posted some documentation. No, someone else posted documentation on Slack. But I can't remember where eval posted it. That's not what I wanted. Oh yeah, thanks. So let's. Okay. How do I get? I mean, probably. I probably just have to H-align left, center, and right. So if this is left, then I can do this. Oh, well, basically center. I can have position point. What is point? Okay. Okay, x minus this and if it's right, then position x minus width w. Okay, let me check whether that works. That is another push-up. No, we should probably. Oh, it's a point. It can't change. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. So the signature of the second function is, well, the first one is wait. Do I still have it open? Yeah, I find it quite interesting. So the first one actually creates two methods, right? So one with 2 and one with 3. 3, that's not a 3. One with 2 and one with 3. And then the third one does the third one do the same? No, it only creates one method. But that one method overrides the first one. Okay. Anyway. I mean, it gets formatted later anyway. But okay, let me try this out. And now it's centered. And it just shifts over a little bit in the end. Which I don't quite get. But I think it's okay. Maybe we should understand why this happens. Oh yeah, I should also allow center. Okay. So nothing 1. If H alignment 4, then 2. Yes. Text with half. Yes. Translate to there. Okay, that makes sense, I guess. Or maybe it's this B. What do we have here? Why do we have format? Top, middle, baseline, bottom. Okay, so top. Okay, and what about text? It does actually return stuff. Maybe I should also return stuff. Oh, I should return. Yeah. Want to return that. But anyway, this doesn't really make sense to me. Okay, I might send this over to Kamuli and maybe he has an idea. Let's try this one out. Probably doesn't make a hell of a difference. It always. Okay, and this is so weird. Okay, but when we don't have this stuff, everything looks normal, right? Yeah, that's quite weird. Well, it looks a little bit. You don't get the sub action idea. Okay. So the general idea is that you have control over some kind of action by a more fine-grained control. What exactly is not intuitive to you? Also, that might help. No, stay here. So, for example, for this movement, this is a movement from the center to the right, rotating and then back in. It makes much more sense to have kind of specify the circle and then specify the movement of the circle for different time frames. So this is what the sub action can be used for. And later you also have a sub action for the color for this. But it is clear that that every circle is kind of always the same circle. Well, random user, I think one of the points is that it's more, I don't know. I think it doesn't happen that often in the normal world when you program, because you try to, or everybody tries to avoid those cases where it might feel like ambiguous, even if it's not based on how Julia is implemented. But I think it's not too important that you completely get it. maybe I just say it because I don't completely get it. But yeah, I don't know. That's my point of view. Does it make more sense? It's good to know. Yeah, definitely. Does it make more sense now, Eval? Kinda. Okay. Do you still have questions? Yeah. Well, yeah. Position, rotation. Yeah, that's true. It can cause bugs, probably. By the way, can also implement disappear text maybe. And then I should do some push-ups. And yeah, that's expected, I would say. All right, let me do some push-ups. No, this is not a push-up. It's an error, but it's not a push-up. All right. I'll give you one. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. Does A get modified? No, it's not a view. Now A equals well, slicing creates a copy, right? Wait, I have to test it. But I would say it gets not. Okay, you should be careful when copying this. And now they. What happened? No. Yeah, A stays the same because it's creating copy. So what about the second one? B equals so basically these, and then B11. A shouldn't get modified, right? But because you ask it like this, I'm not too sure anymore. But um, and then what? Why? If I do what? This looks wrong. Why? Because well. Okay. So okay, so they are mutables. So it's okay. So it's basically it's a copy, but not a deep copy, right? Okay. I think because it's a copy, so that makes sense. Hi Il. How's it going? Um, and it looks cool. Thank you. I just don't know what to do with it. Or I haven't implemented the angle yet. Um, and I don't know whether that makes everything more complicated. But trying currently some Julia stuff. No, no, no. What happened, Evolve? Does it break your system like it did mine? But I think I understand it now. Okay, so I think that kind of makes sense now. We might want to try. Okay, can I? Okay. What does this? Does this actually? Work? Okay, it's actually just another point there. Okay, the question is. Okay, so we are moving to text. I feel like I want to have this. To just copy it, kind of. It would be nice if there would be a function for it. Well, he has eval praise and eval pass from time to time. I think whenever he changes. Yeah. Actually, I always when I have like evaluate eval in. That's weird. What did I want to say? Yeah, that evaluates, like eval always looks like, okay, yeah, I can't. Did I even change something? I wanted to copy that maybe. Um, I think I actually want to copy. Why is everything like totally not totally underlined? Okay, and then this text extends thing is text with, and uh, yeah, that's correct. I think there are actually people named Null, and they always have problems when they enter their name for in some websites because the database get confused. I think there are blog posts about that. Okay, so where is my? So maybe I want to do kind of the same thing. But here I want to do this. Oh wait, do I screw up here? I do. Now everything makes more sense. There's another T somewhere. And pause. I'll probably have to do some push-ups because of this. And I also want to return this. And this can actually return that. And this gets automatically returned. And I actually. Okay. Oh, and then I think this weirdness anymore. Okay, let's try that out. Where are people playing bridge? Blue eye puzzle. No, I don't think so. Oh. You asked anyone, so I probably shouldn't answer. Cairo not defined. Okay. Oh yeah, this one. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. I forget. Can do. And I think I don't need this, but I haven't understand that. So one more. Wait, what? Where does this happen? Oh, wait. What is this? Why? Oh, Terry Town. Let's do this. Oh, I didn't put an angle in there. Nice. This is slow zoom. Come on. Yeah, I don't want to. I'm done. I'm done with zooming in. I will have a look later. Angle. Sorry, I wanted to have 90 degrees. And I wanted to type 0.9. And that's not really correct. Okay. There's something off there. Oh, okay. So first of all, I should also angle. Then at least the second part should work. I assume. Yeah. Oh, and the question is, does text outline, does the clipping region also take an angle? And it doesn't. So it means I have to rotate before. So I probably have to do. So this is not needed anymore, by the way. So I guess I have to do something like that. And now that works. All right. I mean, because, yeah, I think that should be fine. I'm quite happy with that. Oh, I should maybe test all this. I think mine kind of makes more sense. Why is this displayed there? That's a bit confusing. Let's do that. And kind of ignore these. Does that make sense though? I mean, here is the center, and they rotate by 90 degrees and have H-aligned center. Please tell me that's this to this doesn't make sense for you. Or tell me that it does and explain it to me. I think that looks off. All right, see you later. Thanks for joining. Okay, maybe I will ask Chameleon as well for this one. And besides that, I think we're kind of good to go. Yeah, I might want to do. Let's see. I think I didn't change anything though. Yeah, okay. Get rid of this. Let's do change lock. Well, let's see. Draw text. And we should have test cases. And afterwards, I think I will. What is the time? Oh yeah, we can do at least another hour, I think. I was interested in moving something along a path. So I think that will be next. That's so nice. Everybody says bye. Good chat stream. Chat stream. What a weird word. It's probably not a word. Animate text. Basically copy this one. Temp directory. Let's also increase the font size. And we'll have at least some kind of extra thing to it. Maybe have a point. Oh, I think we don't support this. What a shame. Let's hold that. I hope this works. Okay. So this should work then, and then I want to move it a bit out of the center, maybe a bit down. And we have some reference, which is animate text 07. Uh, 30 doesn't really matter because nothing changes there. And okay, maybe it's like this. And I don't know, 82. Sure, why not? Delete everything. Okay. Yeah, let's run the test. and I will be back in a sec. I will make a short break and then the tests can run. Sorry, your piece had to end. But I'm glad you like the animations. Yeah, so the tests still run and I finally have an error. What is the error? Why do I have... this is not good. Okay, let's run it again. Sorry about that. You like it? Okay, let's just have a look at it together. And I probably need more animations. I really like the loading one, but it's flickering a bit. But yeah, I shouldn't make my breaks too, because after a while it probably gets boring showing the same animation over and over again. So maybe in the next hour, when I implement the next thing. So the next thing I would like to implement is that the user gives a pass, or even just like circle, ellipse, or what. Okay, there's some kind of weirdness error. Or maybe because it... This is weird. That didn't happen before, right? No. Okay, but animating text still failed. What is wrong with this? Definitely has the same thing. And we should also... Let's just copy that. But I think I didn't make a spelling mistake there. Okay. Let's maybe run this one. Okay, this is totally wrong. I thought I fixed this error. Oh, but after I... Okay, I have no clue. And then it's also... What have I done? I think I need to have a look. Oh, wait. I think 1 point. Oh. So I think this should not happen anymore. Just choose. Okay. Well, it was just a snapshot, right? But it was like the wrong part of the snapshot. This is so confusing. I thought I fixed this error, but then I copied it over from him, and I thought it would be even better, but it got worse. Okay. So it's not moving down, right? And it should also move left. This is super weird. Because or do I need this? Okay. One other option is I do need these G-save and G-restore, but I have no idea what they do. Okay. This definitely doesn't change anything. Just to be clear, okay, this does the same. Okay. So it definitely doesn't move. Why? Seems like the position is not transferred over. Like even if I do this. probably wrong. Yeah. So why is that? They do move. Oh, move doesn't. Wait. Move doesn't do what I want. Question is, what is move to and Cairo? And because I think I want to have translate there. I hate it. Why is there no docstring? Okay, this looks better now. Let's do everything back and to create a GIF out of it so we can easier see what actually happens. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Then this should work, and I maybe just restart the whole session. It always takes longer than expected to finalize this kind of stuff. So, what are you all up to? Procrastinating? Sounds good. It's always taking so long. Why does this fail now? I don't want to delete this weirdness. And run it again. I really hope some other stuff today. We should at least kind of finish this one first. But I hope this weird arrow. No, God. I think it's gone. Might be a problem that when test cases fail, something gets not deleted, and then there's some kind of error. And that should be cleared in the beginning. But that's nothing for today. Today is fun. Not work. Okay, that works. Ability to animate. Okay, formatting also is doing its work, and it's slow as always. So, okay, let me put this on my laptop such that I can have a look at it later. I might even, no, I think I don't. Let's close this. Is there anything? Oh, we have a new style. Who style our project? Math student. Stalking. Stalking live on the internet. Okay. Whatever. Never saw that. Never saw him her before. But thanks for the star. If you're watching, that would be so funny. Draw text 161. Okay, I think ready to push this. I did. It wasn't in there. Yeah. No. Definitely not all corner cases. Oh, I should check the rotating one again. That might be fixed now. Yes. No. I will. Might be possible integrate into the Javis tutorial. Jarvis. into the mascot Javis tutorial. Okay. Oh, I should add some codes for reproducibility. Text can now be animated using the symbol draw text. Very original. Okay, so the tests are run in the background, and this is somehow related. Oh, I think we don't. How long are streaming for? Another hour, I think. Oh, also. Okay. Yeah, I want to create this follow path stuff, but I just realized that I also wanted to probably just have, yeah. Oh, hello stream. Whatever. Yeah, you don't have to review that yet. So, yeah, so the idea now for the next hour, probably hour and a half, I don't know how long it will take, is to just create a random path of whatever, of a circle, a star, or whatever, and have some kind of moving object, probably a circle, as I like circles a lot, move along that path. And the idea is to basically have, again, a sub action for this. And there is some part of Luxor, which, by the way, I have no idea why this doesn't work for me. It's always lights, and I hate lights. No. Polyportion, yeah. So the idea behind it is basically just the normal interpolation stuff, but I want to have the points, the interpolated points, so that I know where I have to put the object. And it's part of this polyportion, but it returns the first 75%. I only want to have the point at 75%. So that's what this is there for. These two lines. Basically, I will create like the function inside Javis, and then probably at some point I will make a pull request. Give me a second. Jacob, so the other code basically just asked me whether I have reviewed his pull request, and I think I did. Yes. Anyway, I think I just need those two. And yeah, I wanted to say that this will be probably, I will probably make a pull request to look so for this feature follow pass. And yeah, so this is actually, I don't know what this actual issue is about, to be honest. Like, code follow. Okay, there it is. Okay, all right. So it's actually what I want to do. So let's do the same thing as before. Let's copy this over. And we follow path.jl. And probably want to do this. And then don't worry about that part. And we have our circle, which is at the origin, has a radius of 20, and we want to have it filled. And then it should, I don't need this. It should follow path of, oh, how about ellipse? I think I didn't work with ellipse before. Oh no, I did once. I forgot. Anyway, follow path of ellipse point minus 50, 0, and point 50, 0, and wait, what is this? Oh, point somewhere on the ellipse. Oh, yeah. I don't know. 70, 20. I don't know where that point should be. And that should be pass or like none. Okay, this should work once we have implemented it. And we basically need sub-action animation. Oh, I haven't documented the other one, by the way. That's too bad. Let me short. Keep that one open. This also needs some docs. Oh, and we have a test error? Ah. Okay. Well, there's always the problem with text that I wasn't able to fix last time. Is that the default font face is different for all of them, and then you can basically create a test case for it. I think. Wait. Uh, I will worry about that later, but so this is all. Yeah. So it seems like we don't have a test case for because we haven't figured it out yet. Okay. Anyways, so function follow pass takes in a function. And now it at least should not break, should not throw an error. Follow pass not. Oh, I have to. That's a good first step. Should export that. Probably somewhere around here. Oh, it does create. Oh, yeah, that's good to know. Because it's not actually a function. That makes sense. Why the DAO? Follow the path of the master. I can do everything I want. Question is, do I want? Points. I want. What is the DAO though? Is it just? Oh, okay. I will join your religion. What was my concept now? Some kind of this. And get interpolation T if T is approx T 1.0. Return. I don't know whether I need this though. Okay, so what is this index? Maybe I should open your link first, because I follow you blindly now. I can't see the words. I have on my laptop, I think. Yeah, I can see it on my laptop. But yeah, it looks nice. Okay, I see. Yeah, I wanted to have a look. I think I need one more. So I need the index. Oh, I need the this. Okay, this is bad. Okay, so wait. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. See you. Thanks for joining, Eval. Hope to see you again soon. I just realized I made a mistake. This should actually be in follow paths of video action, sub action, relative frame, and pause. Yeah, and then this one goes to follow the path. Please follow the path. Okay. Now the question is, okay, so basically if rel frame is equal to 1, and then I want to say action.opt. It's not really options, but I don't mind. I don't care. Should have p distance set. Oh, I have to be careful. I have to be careful with. Hey Zed, how's it going? How is life? Thanks for joining. So the problem is, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Does it matter? I think it does. The problem is if I have twice follow paths, so first follow this and then follow that, then so I want to calculate the distances of the points once and want to save it, but I should save it more in the sub action. Can I save something in the sub action? Yeah, I should save that in the sub action. It makes much more sense. But I can't. Okay. But I should be. So depth tickets symbol any kind of diff or relevant for this. The problem is I always have to. I think this is the one. Which is the just now I have to restart because I changed the struct. Okay, this gone. What about what is this? Follow pass and subaction. So let's see whether something failed already. This failed. No, I have to do a push up. Action. Dev. Oh my god. I think it was too late. But anyways, so let's check. I think I want to have it closed all the time. Wait, no. Damn it. How does... I think the user needs to define whether it's closed off. Otherwise, I think there is no current drawing. Oh. That is also true. Okay, so we have like a lot of fun here. We made this in the beginning. Hello stream. Yeah, I should work on my synchronization, and back. But yeah, that was like the first 1.5 hours. And now we want to follow the path. So a circle should follow the path of an ellipse. And yeah, so the current point is I can't call the ellipse function because there's no drawing, and Luxor is a little bit pissed off by that. If we don't have a drawing. So whenever we call video, we should just create a drawing. And it doesn't have to do anything. I think that will some looks. Yeah, I should maybe work on my documentation skills. Oh, and I should do one more push-up. 2 more push-ups. What is the problem now? Cannot convert an object of type easing to an object of type Java. Okay. It's called subaction with frames. I think that should be integrated there, but okay, maybe that needs to be fixed. Damn it. Oh yeah, okay. More push-ups. But part of it worked. It seems like. Okay, so let's go back to this little piece. So we basically want to have this nearest index of pdist portion is our t. This is our points. 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 So what are you doing, Zed? Oh, you're having fun as well. Oh no, this is actually surplus. What is Project Order Marchang? Is that a Project Order puzzle? Is it called puzzle? I don't know. Question. And then, oh, we don't want to really wait. What do we want to do? We want to translate by that point. Don't return. Return to where? And where do I have another P? Oh, there you go. Damn it. Problem 696. Oh, that seems like a hard problem. I mean, I haven't had a look at it, but it's a hard number. Project No, I can't type. Six. Not yet finalized? What does that even mean? So it's like a new problem? What is this time to solve, by the way? Is it when you first had a look at the website? Oh no, they also have like the language. Or you can specify the language you're using, right? I have no idea. But have fun and good luck. No, I haven't solved it. No. Why do you think I have solved it? I haven't solved it. I didn't even have a look at it. I solved like how do I statistic problems? Oh, that's not my statistics, right? How to have my statistic account? Okay, I hope you don't see weird stuff. Solved 64. I don't know. I thought there are some kind of. Oh, there's like. I don't get that. Anyway, I want to go back. So, did I increased my push-up count? Okay, so nearest index. Is less. So probably this value is 0 or stuff like that. Oh, this one. Or maybe this is not. I know it will also error. So I increased my push-up. Oh man. Okay, this actually works. So the question is, what is my P? My T, sorry. Why is my T 0.0? Okay. Oh, and I also want to return. Oh, that's the point. Well, I don't need it here. There's no bug. You mean what I'm working on? What do you want to know? I might be able to just show you the outcome if everything worked. Yeah, it worked. It worked. It worked. So you can now give it like have any kind of object. Thanks, Il. So you can now, okay, let's do some more. It works, it works. Follow path. So we now have a circle and we follow the path of an ellipse, which I think you can see, but let's do something more complicated. Let's do a star. Have center, which is probably just this. A radius, which is 100, endpoints, which is, okay, I don't know, 5, 0.5. Orientation is 0, and action, or action is none, so we kind of don't need all of this. We should specify though that to follow a star. Why is this? Why is this messed up now? Oh, because I want to close this. Okay. C. We now follow a star. Okay, the end is wrong. Though. Oh. Oh, I think I know why. If closed else. Yes, it can follow a star now. How about we make a star following a star? Now we need to specify all of that, which is super. Or can I do action like this? This should work, right? But it doesn't. I just don't get it. Why do I have to specify everything now? This is so annoying. Sorry. Yes, and push. Yes, another. Yes, another push. Now we have a star following a star. Ah, this is so lovely. This is so. And I should. Why do I have 13 push-ups to do now? I should do push-ups. Okay. You can follow the star, following the star, following the star. What a star! It's such a star. Okay. I will be back. I just made push-ups and you didn't see anything. Ah. Okay. By the way, the push-up counter. Okay, I will do them. I will do them again. But first I will explain. So the push-up count is just a small Julia script, which has my push-up file, which is a text, just a normal text file, in which I load in OBS. And then I have some methods where I just, this is kind of weird. I don't know why. And then I can just call it from the Julia session. Do I really have to do the push-ups again now? Come on, guys and girls. I don't. Thank you. I think you can see that I did them. Thank you, Zed. Thank you so much. I believe myself. Oh, and by the way, because some people in the audience do really enjoy if something is really fast, we should make it really fast. Oh, wait, we can't. Oh, you said we believe you. Maybe you're just arrogant and it's like the royal we. I think I want to make this to work, and this will not work at the moment. But this will work, I think. Yeah, I'm currently working on having it fast. Why does this not work? Yeah, where's this? Why does that not work? Uh, sorry, everyone, I am confused. Oh, how about that? But it looks like it's moving in the circle, right? It's super weird. I think the one problem is that I have not enough. This is why you came here. Yeah. Um, oh, that's not why you came here. You came here for the linear one. But it's, yeah, the problem is that the frame rates is not good. I think what we can do doesn't make sense. I have no clue what I'm doing. You definitely don't like this, do you? Yeah, it's just too fast. Anyway. Whatever. We kind of have, but I wanted to implement this. Oh, you mean like in the loading animation? Okay. Let's change this. And then Oh, they have a kind of what is going. Oh yeah, they are not shown, and then they kind of fall in. Super weird. They have a good offset, such that we can only see 3 stars instead of 5, which is quite funny. Um, oh, maybe we should add, I don't know. We want to have more, right? And I don't know whether we go out of the balance. So, um, the weirdest thing is that they all just die out in the end. And this is, oh my god. I made your day again. And I lost 2 viewers for that. And yeah, they should have different color rights. But I think I want to have only 4 of them. Because the offset, I don't know, it's weird. Wait, am I wrong? Oh, this is. Oh, I forgot the 1. Okay. So is this including, by the way? It is. Okay. I mean, it's only dizzy because it's actually a star, but it looks like a rectangle a little bit. Um, let's have our favorite colors again. I should just copy that over. Um, and then we have our sub action with color. Now they don't fall off the edge anymore. But I quite like that. How about they just go back to red? Yeah, probably the black one is better, but I like that they fall out. Oh, like it looks that it looks like they fall out. And it has, with the red, it has a bit of an autumn feeling, right? Autumn turning into winter, turning into autumn, and then falling off the cliff. Little dancing leaves, yeah. Oh, we should make actual leaves. And now it's get complicated. Like one can take an image. Um, Oh yeah, I was thinking about what can take an image, but then I can't color it anymore. That is a problem, unfortunately. Okay, I should really close this. I went from 4 viewers to 1. I think got distracting for them. And it's all your fault. It's all your fault. Oh yeah, so let's I don't know. Let's do this, but they can move up to 2, which will fail, but we should make it possible. How do I get t is t minus floor of t? I think that works, right? It should work. Famous. Oh, and then we have the 0 problem again. Okay. Yes. 1 push-up. And ready to go. Where is all of us? Oh, I like that. I think that's quite neat. The problem is they don't fall off the edge that nicely anymore. But I do like that animation. In fact, I think I want to do it full screen. Okay. Do I have loading animation? Notice? That's okay. That's correct. Follow up. We just have to scale everything up, I believe. Okay, give me another 20, 30 seconds until it's done, and then I will add follow up. Yes, that is scaled quite okay, I would say. Okay, I think I think that's good enough for today. I will make a pull request out of that one, and then I'll have to do some actual work and write doc strings and stuff like that. But maybe if you're interested in it, maybe my co-developer Jacob Zalko, aka the Zeta Prince, will stream later, and then I will see you there probably if I join. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one. And thank you. Special thanks to my Patreon subscribers. Published a new blog post on opensource.as on Javis. And the 4 people you see by name here in this weird animation are the ones that pay more than $4 per month. That pay $1 per month. So if you want to contribute a little bit, please check out my Patreon page. See you.